This poetry piece is called Colors They Bring. If music be the food of love, then play on. Heart, do not stop, for we shall sojourn no longer in this place. Permanently we shall be beheld, for solace has beset its eyes upon us. From this day on, as evening sets and as dawn arises, we who have darkness beneath our skin shall grow like chrysanthemums in this your land, blooming like angels in motion, bringing forth from horizons far and wide laughter in the most deepest. For a foot, a hand, a field, fuel of the rise of civilization, we are these that they hath called the sons of the slaves, and permanently we shall go to the graves of our ancestors, holding our heads high. We are the creators of history. And with this rhythm hath heard in this your enduring wind, sends with love, pride, and unity. For we who dwell with these peoples in this sight, their lacking of color, kindling sound winces of interest. As the sun shines and this rhythm in the wind serenades the aura of peace residing among us. Love, joy, friendship, unity, freedom, and peace be born. For these are the colors that we doth praise in this sight, their magnificence strengthening. Let us, we who dwell in this sight, anchor these simple pleasures: love, joy, friendship, unity, freedom, and peace, for these are the colors they bring. My name is Wisdom.